The Church should restore Alma's protect over preserve. Alma 230 raises questions about whether the 1830 printers merely made a mistake or consciously substituted a preferred expression. In the printer's manuscript we read, "to save and protect this people," while the 1830 edition printed it as "to save and preserve this people." It is difficult to explain the difference as a simple visual misreading, since protect and preserve share little similarity beyond their opening letters. Moreover, to save and preserve this forms a familiar and complementary pairing in religious language, whereas save and protect is less formulaic, making the printed wording sound more polished but also more editorial. Thus, while the 1830 reading may strike readers as smoother, the manuscript evidence points to protect as the original wording, suggesting that the alteration reflects printer intervention rather than authorial intent.